Okay.
Me. Jump, oh, jump. Jump, oh, jump. Jump, oh, jump. Jump, oh, jump. Jump.
Shh.
Jump, oh, jump. Jump as high as you can. Start jumping. Start jumping. Start jumping.
I encouraged Bo to jump.
Start jumping. Start jumping. Start jumping. Start
Layla.
jumping.
Say hi to Mommy.
I'm impressed, Bo.
Vanessa, say hi.
Hi. I teached Bo to jump today.
Taught.
I taught Bo to jump by encouraging. I also showed him my jumping, and I was like pushing his feet up and showing him how to jump. And all of a sudden, he pushed me, and then he was like, Ugh. And then he started jumping around and around.
Okay.
It was funny.
Let's look at Bo jump.
Jump, Bo, jump. You can do it. Jump, Bo, jump. Pick a pizza now. Believe you can do it, Bo. Believe.
Believe in yourself.
Layla, what do you think about your little brother jumping?
Bo, jump.
You think
Mommy?
he's doing great?
Yeah.
Look at me. Don't put that in your mouth, silly
Don't you know
girl.
that, Mommy?
Don't you think it will be true what I just said?
Yes, I do.
Because I taught Bo how to jump when he's not even 6 months old.
Yeah, he's just a little duffer. Wow, he's really jumping now.
Oh, he doesn't. He made that thing jump.
Jump. Jump high. Jump high. Jump, jump. Jump. Bo, I believe you can jump. So just jump.
There's Layla. I can't see you when you come so close. I can't see you when you come so close. No, don't put that in your mouth, please.
Can you take a picture of me?
I'm taking video right now.
Move. Like this. Take
Okay, I did. I saw. Okay, now let me see a pretty... No, you can't see it, honey. I'm videoing.
Jump. Oh, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Say jump.
Just
One, two, three. Jump, oh, jump. Jump, oh, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Dance, dance, dance. Stamp your feet. Stamp your
Okay, I think
Stop,
Bo's been
stop.
jumping a long time.
He likes jumping.
Doesn't he look like a little leprechaun?
Leprechauns are small.
He's small.
He's small but not tiny.
Oh,